have another sweet, simple summary sew for you today, a free PDF from Tiana's Closet. Sometimes the simplest designs just have the perfect touches of personality. This is the Amanda tie shoulder top. It comes together super quick with just a few pattern pieces. I've left the link below so that you can check out all the details, grab a copy, and sew it along with me. Cut out all your pieces, transfer those darts, and let's get started. We're going to start by sewing our darts into our front bodice piece. I've transferred my dart from my pattern piece, and now I'm going to fold it in half and poke my needle through one dart leg and out the other. Then I'm going to sew from the outside edge to the point of my dart, leaving thread tails at the end so that I can tie them in knots. Sew both of your front darts in the same way. Now place your front facing on top of your front piece, right sides together, and pin in place from the underarm seam all the way up around the straps and around your neckline. Then you're going to sew the front facing to the front piece as pinned from underarm seam all the way to underarm seam all around your straps and neckline. Now, because my fabric does fray, I'm going to take the facing piece to my serger and just finish the bottom edge of the facing. Now I'm going to trim and clip my seam allowance all the way around so that I get nice and smooth curves. In this pointed section here at the front neckline, I'm going to clip to but not through the seam allowance so this point is nice and defined. I'm going to use pinking shears to trim the rest. Now turn your facing and front piece right side out. And give your front bodice a really good press. Now grab your back piece and your back facing piece and place them right sides together and attach them together in the exact same way as we did for the front pieces. Also remembering that if your fabric frays, to serge the bottom of your facing piece. Here is the back piece of my garment, and I'm going to open out the facing. Here's my facing portion opened out flat. Now I'm going to take my front piece and place it right sides together, also opening out my facing so that my facings are right sides together as well as my bodice, and pin in place. Sew all the way from your bottom hem over this seam to the end of your facing in one stretch. Repeat the same process for your other side seam and serge your seams to finish. And now the very last step is to hem the bottom of the blouse. I've gone ahead and serged all around the bottom of my blouse for a clean finish, and to hem I've just pressed the outer edge over to the inside by 1 inch, and then I'm going to take it to my sewing machine and sew all around the bottom hem close to my serging stitches. Thank you so much for watching this sew along. Make sure you check out my other videos for more great full-length sew alongs. I'll see you in the next video.